Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's roasted corn in the pie maker. I've got a cob of corn here and it's a lovely young fresh cob of corn. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces and if you look at it, it's pretty well the right size. So we're going to cut that into 4, put a dob of butter on top of it with some veggie salt and pepper, and then put it on for a few minutes to cook right through. So just pop it in there like so, sprinkle it with some vegetable salt. When you melt the butter on the top of it, that will wash the salt down in amongst the corn and give it a gorgeous flavour. So just cut our butter into 4 little pieces. 1, 2, you know what comes next, 3, 4, and turn the pie maker on and shut the lid. And in about 8 minutes you're going to have 4 little toasty pieces of corn to eat. You haven't had to boil any water, you haven't lost any of the nutrients from it, and the butter is going to wash all those herb flavours and pepper down in amongst the kernels. It's going to be delicious. Okay, only after about 5 or so minutes you can see the butter is all melted. Just turn that over and give it another few minutes. We're going to be serving it with some of our sticky pork ribs that I cooked in the Ninja Foodie, and I've showed you that in a different video. This is going to be divine. Okay, a few minutes longer and we've just put them on their side, rolling them over in this gorgeous tasty butter, and we're going to pop them out there in less time than it takes to boil the water. And they're virtually steamed as well as roasted. And then you just wipe that butter out with a bit of paper towel, or you could maybe cook an egg in it or something like that. A bit of parsley here, break that up, and there you have it. Cheekyricho Cooking's cobs of corn cooked in the pie maker. You can buy the little cobettes of corn that are in the freezer section of your supermarket, and they'd be perfect for this as well because they're already par cooked. So these are really quite sweet with little crispy edges on them, and all that butter is just leached all the way through it. It's divine.